Today in Anna's kitchen we are making Caribbean mutton curry. It looks gorgeous, it tastes gorgeous, and here's how to make it. Hi, this is Anna again in Anna's kitchen. I'm sorry we've been away for so long. We've had a few things going on, we'll tell you about that later on another one of our videos. But anyway, today we're making mutton curry. You will need 3 pounds of mutton. This is going to be enough for 6 people. 2 medium onions that have been chopped quite roughly, 2 tomatoes that have been chopped quite roughly, some dark soy sauce, some olive oil, some ground black pepper, garlic powder and some mild Madras curry powder. Okay? You'll also need a cooking spoon and a tablespoon to measure out the curry powders. First of all I'm going to add, okay, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spoons of olive oil. I'm going to add chopped onions and tomatoes. Switch this on. Okay, mix this around a bit and let it start to fry and start to sizzle up. That should take about 3 minutes. Okay, this has been cooking now for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the mutton. It's been chopped by the butcher this way. You can make them smaller pieces if you wish. And of course, the meat has been washed thoroughly before adding to this pan. I mix that all around. Everybody makes mutton curry differently. I know there'll be some looking and thinking, nah, that's not how you make it, but this is how I make it, although I would normally have a couple of chicken stock cubes. Haven't got that in the cupboards today, so we'll just improvise. There we go. Next, get your garlic powder, and I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. Then you have your curry powder, and I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 tablespoons again. Now we have the dark soy sauce, and if you see, I'm just going to put quite a generous helping in. It's about 6 tablespoons in there. And it's smelling really good. Now we're going to add some ground black pepper. Half a tablespoon. In fact, no. Just a tad more. Sorry, almost forgot. Some ground sea salt. Just a tablespoon, but not a heaped tablespoon. Throw that on. Take a spoon, mix it all around. It's getting a lovely colour. It's smelling good already. Okay, this is going to take a long time to cook. Right, we're now going to add 4 pints of water to the mutton curry. That's my second one. There we go. Give it another mix. Right, all the water's in there. Now I have to tell you, this dish takes a long time to cook because it is mutton. So it's going to take about 3 hours. We're going to put it on high and let it boil. On goes the lid. So put the lid on and turn down the heat. So that's more like a medium heat for the time being. It's still bubbling away but not as high. Okay, it's been an hour now. Now the meat still isn't cooked, but the water's really gone down. That smells good. Let's take a look at the meat and I'll show you. It's still quite tough, so you're going to need more water. So I've added 3.5 pints of water to it again, and up goes the heat, back goes the lid. We'll have another look at that in an hour's time. Okay, it's been an hour cooking on high. I'm going to check the meat, see how it's cooking. Yeah, you see that it's starting to get quite tender now. So I'm going to keep that on high. There's still quite a bit of water in there. I'm going to keep that on high for another 20 minutes. Okay, it's been another 20 minutes. Let's check it again. It's beginning to stick to the pan a little bit, so I need to keep stirring this. Let's see if that's ready. Yep, as always, the cameraman will have a taste. Is that done?
Yeah, absolutely delicious.
Yeah? Okay. There you go. Give it another mix. And there's your mutton curry.